Hey there guys, in this quick video, I'm just going to compare the funding pips with the FTMO and I'm going to show you some important things. Now, I'm going to be honest, the FTMO is one of the top ones. But the only thing that is like really important is that make sure you're not in the USA because FTMO no longer works in the USA. So this is the first thing. And now you can get with FTMO also practice account and test fields spreads for 14 days. So if you want to also diversify your capital from multiple firms, first get max funded with FTMO, later you can explore other options. Now also the funding pips, it looks good. It's not a bad thing. I'm not going to say this is really wrong. Just like plenty of new age firms, there is no prop firm that matches FTMO in the industry right now as for now. So another thing that when we're going to look here on the funding pips, is that okay, it's lower entry barrier, more accessible for the beginners. You can have wider range of strategies and good community. You have also Discord, so that's good. Another thing is that it's more scale. May offer less capital compared to larger firms, limited resources, and you're in a market. So this is the thing because it's new, but it looks good. It doesn't look bad at all. Now, on the other hand, with FTMO, it got like established reputation. Even when you can look here on the Trustpilot, like insane. Higher capital allocation, potential for accessing larger trading capital, advanced tools and support, but the cons, right? So stricter rules and tests, more challenging evaluation process, pressure to perform, higher expectations for consistent profitability. So you need to actually perform with the FTMO. And entry costs might have higher fees or costs for the evaluation process. But other than that, it really depends like what level you are. You can start with FTMO and then go with the funding pips. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.